In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan your face to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat application and then right here at the top left corner, tap at your profile picture. Then here at the top you can find Create My Avatar button, just tap on it. And now all you have to do is to place your face in that circle, in that way, and then select your gender. Now here wait for a couple of seconds and now you can choose between these three different suggested Bitmojis for you, or you can tap at that sign to create custom. I'll select that one and now I can tap on continue and my avatar is ready. I can dress it up and edit my Bitmoji avatar at any time from my profile. So I can hit on done there to go out of here, and also I can hit on edit avatar to edit it right now. So I'll just tap on done and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.